Hi everybody, welcome back. So today we are going to learn reverse of a string. Okay. Reverse string. So our class name is reverse string. Then it is the main method, and it is we are now going to print enter a number. Okay. Then we are putting scanner class. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, so we have to import this scanner class now. Import java.util.scanner. Okay, now it is imported, and after this, a string a equal to essay dot next line. Okay, so after that we are putting one character c is equal to 1 equal to a dot y. Okay, so after that, what is the use of this line? Character C array is equal to a dot two character array. Means suppose we are taking one string we are taking Purnima. Purnima is a string. Okay, so in this Purnima we are Purnima, that is character. Like P is one character, U is one character, and R is one character. Like all are one character, and mix of this all character is one string, that is Purnima. Okay, so for this character, to find this character, we are taking this line. Okay, means character C array is equal to a dot two character array. Means it will convert our string to character. Or we are taking now another input and int I. In this for loop we are taking suppose okay after this line suppose Purnima is one string. Means in this string we are starting from Purnima. Okay, that is one string. In this string, array is starting from index number 0. Okay, array is starting from 0. So P is in 0 index number, U is 1, and R in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Means in this string there is 7 character. But our last letter A is in 6th index number. Means we are starting from 0, so it is in last is in 6th index number. So we have to count this like integer I is equal to C dot length minus 1. Okay, means last length is suppose in Purnima last length is number is 7, but our index number is in this 6. So we are taking this I greater than equal to 0, because from 0 we are starting. Then I minus minus means decrease होना है यहाँ. So okay, sorry, I forgot to take another input. Reverse is equal to string reverse is equal to null. Okay. Reverse is equal to reverse plus मीन्स यहाँ कंकाटिनेट करना है, मतलब जो भी ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करेगा फिर इन मेथड पे कंकाटिनेट करना है. ओके ओके. ये डाटा कैरेट आई मीन्स लाइन क्या है, मीन्स रिवर्स इज इक्वल टू रिवर्स जो भी आएगा हमारे रिवर्स वो प्लस ये प्लस कंकाटिनेशन के लिए ये मैं पहले भी कह चुकी हूँ. देन ए डॉट कैरेट आई मीन्स दिस इज यूज फॉर टू फाइंड आवर इंडेक्स वैल्यू ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर. ओके. तो यहाँ पे सपोज जो भी स्ट्रिंग है कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई किया. सपोज पूर्णिमा इज योर इनपुट. ओके. सो व्हाट इज द आउटपुट ऑफ दिस मीन्स का मतलब कैसे कैसे करना है, कंपाइलर कैसे रीड करता है वो इसको. पहले इंटीजर आई इज इक्वल टू सी डॉट लेंथ माइनस 1 मीन्स मतलब जितना भी लेंथ है पूर्णिमा की लेंथ है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 है. 7 माइनस 1 मीन्स 6 पोजीशन मतलब यहाँ से करना है 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 मीन्स ए. ओके. तो पहले ये कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई पहले ये रीड करेगा ए. सो ए. Okay. After this, c dot length minus 1 means and that I greater than equal to 0. I minus minus means और एक मतलब पीछे जाना और एक सॉरी हाँ पीछे जाना है like a m position. Okay. c plus m ये कंकाटिनेशन के लिए मैं ऐसे लिख देती हूँ. And after this I. Okay. ऐसी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई करना है. देन एन आर यू पी दैट इज आवर आउटपुट. ओके. अंडरस्टैंड. सो अभी प्रिंट कर देना है सिस्टम डॉट आउट डॉट println now I will check. Reverse string. Okay. Control 1. There is an error. Yeah. I forget to put semicolon there. This time. Created carriage I, that is another error. Okay. So now it is compiled successfully, and I enter a number, string Purnima. Okay, reverse string is this. Okay, so thank you.